Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and I like using a lot of the Google free tools. Gmail, Calendar, Google Photos, Google Docs. And one of the things I really like is that signing in once with my Google account gives me access to all of those. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to demonstrate this using an incognito browser, meaning I am not signed into any account. So if I go to Gmail, it's going to ask me to sign in with my Google account, my Gmail account. If I go to Calendar for Google's Calendar, I need to sign in before I can see my calendar. Same thing with Drive. And the same thing with Google Photos. Photos.google.com. I need to sign in to my Google account. So now I'm going to close all these and start over and show you how signing in once gets me access to all of them. That's what's meant by Google being a single sign-in to all of their apps. So I go to Gmail. I'm going to sign in using my imaginary friend Alan's email address. Now he has a gmail.com email address, so that is of necessity a Google account. You might have Google accounts using other email addresses, but if it's Gmail, it's definitely a Google account. I enter his password. I am now seeing his Gmail email inbox. Now I will go to Calendar, calendar.google.com. I am seeing Alan's calendar. Drive, I am seeing Alan's Google Drive. And last but definitely not least, Photos. I am now seeing Alan's Google Photos account. So one sign in and you get access to everything. Now on your phone, you can go to a browser and go to gmail.com and all of that, but it's much more advisable to use the app. So you would download the Gmail app, and when you open it, you find your account in the upper right-hand corner. I call that the account button. And if you're logged in with your account, you see your stuff. Same thing with Calendar. There is it should be your face up here. If not, you tap on it and you might have other options depending on what accounts were set up on your phone. But you will be seeing the calendar entries or the Gmail for whichever account is the currently signed in one. Google account, one account, access to multiple Google tools.